Hi everyone, welcome back. Can we take a moment to admire this cute package? It is so fun, and it is a very fun theme that we're going to be swatching today from Dipped in Fairy Dust. This is the Pac-Man collection, and I'm so excited. This is going to be so fun, and this collection is releasing today. That is Friday, April 21st at 7 p.m. Eastern Time, and it is so fun. It is a Pac-Man theme. So you have that classic Pac-Man yellow, and then you have some really awesome glitters with some Pac-Man pieces in there. But these dip powders, even though there's like some fun glitters in there, you're going to be able to do a lot with this collection. You're going to be able to wear these colors on their own. You can even hand place some of these Pac-Man pieces on the solid colors, or you could wear these dip powders alone without the Pac-Man pieces, but why would you want to do that? Because these are so fun. But there are plenty of ways to use all of these beautiful colors. So let's swatch this new collection, and then I'll pop back in at the end.
Wake up 2 p.m. I don't know where we are. Looks like a cheap motel with our clothes on the floor. I don't know how we ended up here. And we've been flying high. Are we going too far? I got no cash left and I'm losing my job over you. But I don't care about that. But I got you close and kinda hoping that one day we'll get the rhythm of it. Yeah, 'cause no one knows if we're just jumping out the window, try to cling on to it. You got me holding on to something I know I can't burn me down, but I don't care about it. 'Cause I got you close and kinda hoping that one day we'll get the rhythm of it. been chasing you like the tail of a dog. I don't get no sleep when we kiss in the dark like we do. I just love the way it feels. Yeah, I know it's bad, but I can't resist. When I look in your eyes, I don't know what is real. All I know is that I could go anywhere, anywhere, as long as you're with me. Oh, I'm drunk and I know it, but I got you close and kinda hoping that one day we'll get the rhythm of it. Yeah, 'cause no one knows if we're just jumping out the window, try to cling on to it. You got me holding on to something I know I can't write it down, but I isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy.
All right, and here are all the beautiful colors swatched. I just think this collection is so fun, and it totally ties in with these colors perfectly, and it's definitely giving me all those Pac-Man vibes. So again, this Pac-Man collection is releasing with Dipped in Fairy Dust. That is today, Friday, April 21st at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. And let me know in the comments below what your favorite color is from this collection. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next upload.